Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch exercise, and we will draw these lines, and we will draw the slots here, and we will apply the dimensions and relations. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as this is possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on the new part. Okay, and now we have a new part. For drawing the sketch, you have to choose a plane, and here we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane. But for now we have to just draw the sketch on the front plane. I will tell you a series of the other planes in the 3D models. So just click on the front plane and choose sketch. Now we have an open sketch. First thing first, we have to draw a slot, and we have to start drawing our sketch from the origin point. So here I choose center point straight slot, and here you can see as you get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that the center of our slot will be connected to the origin point. So I draw a slot, and you can see as I move the center line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that the slot will be vertical, and the vertical relation will be automatically applied to my line. So here I draw a slot and right click select to exit the tool. And here we have to draw these lines. So here I choose line and I draw a horizontal line. So you can see a yellow symbol here as I move the line. So here we have a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line here, a vertical line, and a horizontal line, and a line here, and this one. And right click select. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come here, hide and show items, and you can turn on the relations, the green symbols here. So now we have to apply the dimensions. The dimension from this point to the point here is 22.50 millimeter, and the radius of the arc here is 5 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 16 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 3 millimeter. And the dimension from this line to the line here is 12 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 20 millimeter, and the dimension from the point here and here is 10 millimeter. You can see the color of the entities are turning to black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully defined, but it is still under defined because my sketch is still blue, and the line here are blue, and my sketch is moving. So we have to keep giving the dimensions. Dimension from this point, from this point. So press the escape button and choose smart dimension again, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 2 millimeter, and the dimension from the line here and here is 4 millimeter. My sketch is fully fine. You can see here is fully fine, and I can't move my sketch, and everything is black. Now we have to draw these three slots. So here, these three circles. Here I choose circle, 2-point circle, and I draw a circle here, a circle in the origin point, and here. And we have to give the relations. Give these three circles equal relation. Hold the control button and choose these three circles, and here in add relation give it equal relation, and here choose a smart dimension and give this circle 5 millimeter dimension. All of these three circles have the same dimension. Now all we have to do is just trim this line here. So I choose trim entities and I trim this line. Okay. The sketch is not fully defined because the relation have been deleted because of the trim entities. Now we have to give them a relation again. So hold the control button and give this arc and the line here tangent relation, and give this arc and the line here tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation and tangent relation. Now our sketch must be fully defined now. So tangent relation, okay. But our sketch is not fully defined because it is still moving. Yes, hold the control button and choose this point and the origin point here. The center of the slot must be merged to the origin point. So here coincidence, now everything is black and we have drawn our sketch. Please practice at home and do it yourself and watch the video again. Watch my previous videos. I have uploaded many videos about drawing a sketch. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.